we're going to play some fireworks to see what we have got today. And we got a bunch of fireworks. Let's check out what we have. And we have some novelties, and we have some fountains in a very special shape. This is a sword. Okay, we have some spinners and have the area effect as well. And this is also a spinner. And we have some reloadable fountains today. And to say what it is, let's check it out. Wow, it's a new fireworks. Okay, just kidding. This is our new equipment. This is the light we use to light the fireworks. Okay, let's see which one we go first. Let's try these novelties. Okay, we have a bunch of novelties today, so we go with this novelty first. So let's find out what is going to happen. Here we go. A little bit itchy with this novelty. So I think this is a plane. So we got maybe we should have got a longer runway for this plane to go with. We got another car here. It's a racing car, and it's like a truck. But still, I think the board is too short to go with this novelty. So let's choose another place. It's still to make a long runway for this this car, this cool car. So okay, we put it aside, and then we go with the next one. Okay, let's see what we got. So we'll try this spinners. Okay. So from the products we can see a 3-bore here, and as far as I know, this is the crackling bore. So and first it will spinning around, then the crackling bores will be light. Okay. So let's put it here and let's see what's going to happen with these products. It's like pretty cool. Here we go. So next one we will go with this is another spinner. I'm sure this is a very old-fashioned fireworks and a very popular one. It's called ladybags. Okay. Let's take out the ladybags first. And then we can see that there are 3 ladybags in a pack. So we just take one and light it first, and then we will light the left 2 together. Okay, first they will spin in, and then it will go up to the sky. Let's try. Here we go.
Oh my God! Wow!
Really impressive. So first the spinning, and then it lifted into sky. It's about like 15 to 20 meters high. So next one I will light 2 ladybags together. Oh, it was very well. It's reliable, and the spinning is very strong, and then it goes up to the sky. And we have we have 3 ladybags. All works very well. It's very impressive products. I'm sure that it will be very attractive to most of the buyers. Now let's go with 3 items left, and the first we'll go with this like a AK-47. Okay, but It's just a fountain effect. Take it easy. No bullets coming up from this gun. So we can see that there is a fuse cover on top of the gun. We will take off the fuse cover, and then we take out the fuse, and then we just light the fuse to see what is going on. Pretty cool, huh? So we can see from the this effects. First, let's go with the gold fountain, and then change to silver fountain, and then we have some sparkly effects. And this is AK-47 to store fireworks, not a chew gun, no bullets from it. Okay, now let's go with this. This is what? It's a Chinese weapon. I go with Chinese kung fu. It's like a sword, but it's an fountain effect as well. So we can see a light fuse on top of the fountain. And by the way, it looks more powerful than the AK-47. So let's check out what the effect this sword will be. Okay, here we go. Have you noticed the red flame? So at the very beginning of the effect, it's really much more powerful than the AK-47. So this is a sword fountain. So very impressive. Okay, the last one we will play here is the reloadable cold fountain. Okay, it's reloadable. So I will ask the manager my colleague to play this. So first I will show you how to use this. We got one gun. The gun we have the battery inside, so we provide electricity to light the reloadable cold fountain. The packing of the reloadable fountain is 6 pieces in a box. So after we play with one icon, we can take off and load another one. This is what we call the reloadable cold spark fountain. Okay, so let's try the first one. So we can see this is the slot. This is the slot, and this is plug. And you need to load the reloadable fountain correctly. This one, and then we can hear a duck. So it is reloaded. Yeah. And there is a small switch here on the bottom of the gun. So we need to push the button. So yeah. So after you light the fountain, you can lose your hand. So it still will work because the reload fountain is already ignited. But we can still pull the trigger to produce some music effects. Let's see. So it's very interesting, and if we play it in the dark side, in the dark, so we can still see some lights from the gun as well. So we can some really pretty effects by the toy guns. I'm sure the kids will love it. Maybe we can try another one because reloadable cold spark fountains.
Rồi, giờ toán chưa đấy?
Yeah, so we can push this button to inject out the reload point, and we can load another one. So the same procedure, and we take out the reloadable one and then we put it into the gun to make sure it is load tight, so it will not fall off. Okay. So again, we need to push the button and also pull the trigger. This is pretty cool. I'm sure the kids will love it when you send this to his birthday party or play in the Christmas Eve. So, and we just played two reloadable cold fountains, and they're both reliable. So, and when we finish the performance, we need to push this button to eject out of the reloadable one. Okay, that's all. Okay, that's all we played in this place, and just as we said, we need to find a long way for this pretty cool car, and maybe a wide place for this a big guy, this meteor spaceship. Okay, let's go. Let's find another place.
A few minutes later.
We found this place, and we found a runway to go with this car, and we will see how long it can run. Okay, so let's check it out. Put it on the ground and make sure that the ground is smooth. And we light the fuse. Here we go. Some small spinners come out from the mothership. So let's check it out. What happened to this novelty meteor spaceship? Here we go. Okay, very interesting facts. We can see that the first the spaceship is rotating itself then, and it's come out with some small spinners, like a mother. So, everyone, this is Alan from Monday Files, and today this is all today. We have some very interesting novelties and spinning effects, and another one is ladybags. The first is spinning and then go up to the sky. That's all for today's play, and let's stay tuned and see you next time.
Mandarin Fireworks.